is here, and today I am so excited to share with you 3 different ways to make French toast to celebrate my favorite season. We'll start with a traditional French toast recipe, then add an apple maple cinnamon topping. Next, we'll be making a pumpkin pecan French toast bake. This is a great make-ahead breakfast dish to enjoy for weekends, a slow weekend morning, or a holiday gathering. Lastly, if you have little ones, you're going to love these French toast sticks with a cinnamon maple yogurt dip, which makes a great breakfast or even a fun breakfast for lunch or dinner. And a big thanks to our friends Pure Maple from Canada for partnering with us on today's video. Pure maple syrup is one of my favorite natural sweeteners that adds so much flavor to my fall recipes. So let's get started. For the traditional French toast with maple apple cinnamon topping, you will need canned coconut milk, eggs, vanilla extract, salt, your favorite bread, I'm using sourdough, coconut oil, apple, cinnamon, and 100% pure maple syrup from Canada. Whisk the eggs and then add the coconut milk, vanilla, and salt all together in a large wide bowl. Dip bread slices in egg mixture, soaking both sides. Warm coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat. Then add the egg-soaked bread slices to the hot skillet and cook until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. While the French toast cooks, dice the apple and add to a small sauté pan over medium heat and cook for 5 minutes. Drop the heat to low and add the cinnamon and maple syrup. Stir together and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Serve the French toast hot, topped with the apple maple cinnamon topping. Maple syrup is a great option to naturally sweeten your recipes because not only does it provide sweetness, it also has a variety of nutrients. 100% pure maple syrup from Canada is a natural sweetener that is derived directly from the maple tree's sap that, when consumed in moderation, can be part of a healthy diet. To make the pumpkin maple pecan French toast bake, you will need canned coconut milk, eggs, unsweetened pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, salt, your favorite bread, again I'm using sourdough, coconut oil, pecans, and 100% pure maple syrup from Canada. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then coat a baking dish with coconut oil. Whisk the eggs and add the coconut milk, pumpkin pie spice, pumpkin puree, and salt all together in a large wide bowl. Dip bread slices in egg mixture, soaking both sides, then layer bread slices in a baking dish. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. In a small bowl, add the pecans, pumpkin pie spice, and maple syrup and stir together. Remove the baking dish from the oven and top with maple pecans and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the bread starts to become crispy and browned. I love using maple syrup as a sweetener because I know I'm adding natural sweetness and a bonus of nutrients to our meals. Pure maple syrup is an excellent source of manganese and a good source of riboflavin. Pure maple syrup is also a source of calcium, thiamine, potassium, and copper. One serving of pure maple syrup, 2 tablespoons, contains 35% of the daily value of manganese and 15% for riboflavin. Lastly, let's make the French toast sticks with the cinnamon maple yogurt dip. To make this recipe, you will need canned coconut milk, eggs, vanilla extract, salt, sourdough bread or your favorite bread, coconut oil, non-dairy Greek yogurt, cinnamon, and 100% pure maple syrup from Canada. Whisk the eggs and add the coconut milk, vanilla, and salt all together in a large, wide bowl. Dip bread slices in egg mixture, soaking both sides. Then warm the coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the egg-soaked bread slices to a hot skillet and cook until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. While the French toast cooks, whisk the yogurt, maple syrup, and cinnamon together in a small bowl. Serve the French toast sliced into 1-inch wide sticks, perfect for dipping. Enjoy! Did you know that scientists have also identified more than 67 different plant compounds, or polyphenols, 9 of which are unique to pure maple syrup? One of these polyphenols naturally forms when the sap is boiled to produce maple syrup. It is truly a remarkable sweetener that is incredibly versatile for sweet and savory recipes and is a pantry staple must-have. Well, that's it for today's video. You can view or print all of these recipes from our blog at healthygrocerygirl.com, and I'll put links below in the video description box. And you can also follow us on Instagram at healthygrocerygirl for more recipe and nutrition and wellness inspiration.